I'm camping and I'm all alone. I'm so sad. Well, it is my birthday. Maybe I could make a wish. I wish with all my heart that my friends could come camping and surprise me. That would be my wish.
Hi guys, today's Sonic's birthday. I'm driving and I'm on my way to Sonic's party and we're going to go there and I'm going to surprise him, but don't tell him. Be quiet. So I'm on my way.
La 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 la. I should go get something to eat. Wait, whose car is that? Hey, who's in there? What? 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 Who's throwing all those things out of that car? Oh no! Wait. If you're trying to get me, let me tell you I am fast. Who is in there? Okay, if you don't get out, I am gonna go in there. Oh, it's you, my friend Alina. I'm so happy you're here. Did you remember it was my birthday? Is that birthday present for me? Wow, I'm so happy. Come out now. What's that? What's that? Wait, what are all those things?
All those things are for you.
Yay, that's all I wanted for my birthday. Thank you. I made a wish that I could have all these things happen and you're here. I'm so happy.
Guess what's inside here?
What's inside?
Guess. A character that likes to fly and it likes to eat pretzels and milk. Find out.
A dog?
No.
I don't know. A cat?
No.
Who?
It's a hedgehog. It's not a hedgehog. It has a blue helicopter and it has shoes and it has a chin.
Okay, how about this?
Eyes.
What if I close my eyes and then you tell me who it is?
Okay.
Okay, you want me to close my eyes?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll look down.
Don't look up. Okay.
Tell me when to look.
Okay. I'm gonna put it inside the bag. Okay, so open your eyes. So
Okay.
this what's inside the present. Somebody that likes to fly and he has big ears and a happy mouth and he likes to fly and he eats pretzels and milk. And also he has a blue helicopter. And also he's your friend.
Could you guys help me guess who's in the bag? Who is it, guys? Tell me in my ear. Tell me. Yes, is it Tails?
Yes.
Let me see. Wow, Tails, it's you, my best friend. Woohoo! Yeah, you're here.
It's one more surprise. There's 10 more characters to find.
Oh my God, who's
Close
here?
eyes.
Okay, I'll look down again.
Open your
I
eyes.
wonder who it is, guys. Could you guys give me a clue?
Somebody that likes to run fast like her, and he has red shoes, and he's like the same of Sonic.
I think I know who it is.
Who is?
Is it Amy?
No. He's like Sonic, and he does.
Oh, I know.
And he's real fast.
Is he Baby Sonic?
Yes.
Yes!
Okay, do it again. It's okay. Close your eyes.
Yes, come over here with Tails.
Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
I'm not looking. I'm looking down.
Look. somebody her name is Shadow, and somebody that has like,
You said Shadow. Is it Shadow?
yeah.
Yes. Thank you. Where, my friend Shadow? Give me a big hug, friend. Wow, I'm so happy you guys are here.
Okay, so close your eyes. I'm going to put. You can open your eyes, but you can't. You can open your eyes.
Okay, I'm not looking that way. Who do you guys think is coming to my party?
Okay, ready.
Who do you guys think is coming to my party next?
Okay. Guess the game. Somebody that's strong and he has and also he has a big nose.
He has a big nose?
Yeah.
Is it Supersonic?
No.
Is it Amy?
No.
Is it, who is it? Just tell me, please.
Remember I just said that somebody's strong?
Yes. Knuckles.
Yes, you're right.
Yes, my other best friend. Come here, you boy. Yes, 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 yes. Here, have a seat with my other friends.
Okay. Now we got to go to the work.
Okay, I'm not looking.
Now find out who is.
Well,
Somebody that.
Shadow's here, Knuckles here, and Tails is here. Is it Amy?
It's somebody that that's yellow, and they have his name, and also he is a hedgehog.
Is
And he's
it?
the same of the shoes of you.
Is it Baby Sonic?
No. You already have Baby Sonic, you silly?
Oh, I do. Is it Baby Tails?
No.
Is it Amy?
No.
Who is it then?
Somebody that's yellow, but he has the same shoes of Big Sonic.
I don't know. Just tell me, please, please, please.
Somebody that's yellow have a big nose, and also he has his eyes are red.
Supersonic.
You're correct.
Yeah! Supersonic! Thank you for coming, friend. Give me a hug. Okay, I have all of my friends here.
Okay, so,
Oh, there's more friends in there? Who is it?
well, it's somebody that's pink, and somebody that is a hedgehog, and somebody that has beautiful eyes.
Who is it? I don't know who it is.
And somebody that has green eyes.
Green. I know who has green
And
eyes.
a green shirt.
I know who it is.
Who
Do
is?
you guys know who it is? Let's say it at the
No.
same time. 1, 2, 3. Amy! Woo!
You're
Yeah! Amy, you're here. Thank you for coming. Yeah!
There's
Yeah! One more character?
Yeah.
Okay, let me put Amy over here with my other friends.
Okay, so it's somebody that likes to fly, but he's very small, and also has a chin and cute little eyes.
Okay, this one's a little hard because all of my friends are here. So why are my
And so,
I know.
well,
Baby Tails' brother.
yes.
Yes, it's little Baby Tails. Woohoo!
There's no more characters, but you want to eat the cake or you want to eat the chocolate that I give you right there? That's right there.
What chocolate did you give me? Oh, wow.
Wait.
Actually, I kind of wanted a cookie. Do you have any cookies?
Yeah. Oh, okay, so you have to close your eyes, okay?
Okay, I will close them, but one last time.
And then you're not going to guess the character. Guess what kind? Guess.
I'm not looking.
Well, okay, so this is a game, another game. So you have to find out. You have to close your eyes. Subscribe me. Press the red button.
Okay. Okay. Hello. Could you show me what you have already?
Yes. Okay.
Can I look?
You can look, or you can look in the place. This is a game that you have to braise it up like there and then I'm gonna mix it like this, and then ready, and then you look like that, or you could close like that.
Okay.
No cheat, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So you want to put your head like this, or like this?
Like that.
Like that, because that's comfortable. Let's see what you did. You get a cookie.
Wow, a cookie. That looks like me. Wow, give me a friend, please. Give me a big, big, big hug. Oh, thank you so much. You are my very best friend.
Okay.
Well, actually, I have a lot of friends, right?
Yeah.
So you could be our best friend too. I have a lot of best friends here.
Now find out.
And I will share this cookie with them. Here you go. Is that balloon for me?
Yeah.
Thank you. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. I am gonna hit you in your heads with my balloon. Hey, I don't want those flowers. Well, you could give them to me, and I could give them to my friend Amy.
They're beautiful.
Oh, like me, right?
Yeah.
Okay, give them to me. Here you go, Amy. These are for you. I gave them to you
They're
because you like
cute.
flowers.
Look, there are two.
Okay, and I'll give her 2 flowers. Here you go, Amy.
Okay.
Beautiful flowers for a beautiful girl like you.
Okay. And the nighttime, guys. So in the nighttime, the clown is coming.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
But for
Perfect.
now, I'm going to show you which bubble you like. Which bubble you like?
Yeah! Bubbles, bubbles.
Which
I
bubble
like
you-
blue. Blue,
Okay,
blue, blue, blue.
right here.
Uh-oh.
Okay. What color you want, Big Sonic?
I like yellow.
Here's you.
Do you have red for Knuckles?
Oh yeah. I went from right there, but it's red. It's red.
Yeah! Knuckles, you get red. Thank you.
The red. This is the red. The top is red, and also the bubbles too.
Okay.
Okay, so baby Amy will like this color because
Yes.
it's pink.
Yes.
So
No, it's not pink, it's purple.
oh.
But
Is
it's
that-
okay, she'll still like it.
He still like it right there.
Yeah.
He still like it.
And who is the green one for? Tails
I don't know.
or Shadow?
I don't know. This is the last one. Ooh.
Maybe Shadow and Tail could share.
Okay. Wait. Ah. We'll get her up here with the flowers open. Oh, baby, get her up here. There it goes. And then we put one right there. And then we put that. To cover Amy. You see
Ooh.
a little Amy right there? That is
Yes.
right there?
Man, I wish I had a cake, guys. Maybe I could make a wish.
You
I
do?
wish with all my heart that I could get a cake. Woohoo! Maybe we could just sit here and relax.
Guys, sorry.
Okay, there you
Open
go.
them.
Okay, they're open.
Okay, now look back.
Look back.
Yeah.
I have a birthday cake and ice cream. This is my best birthday ever.
When it's nighttime, then you know what happens, guys?
What?
Again?
What?
The crown comes out.
Yes! Woohoo!
I'm going to call
Woohoo.
the count, and then he's going to come.
Okay. For now, I'm gonna eat my cake. Oh no, I forgot to blow my candles. Let's take them away.
Okay, Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Today we'll have a surprise for Sonic and his friends.
Okay. Okay, guys, close your eyes.
Close them. Sorry, Sonic, but the clown is not coming.
Why is the clown not coming?
But except we have another surprise.
Yes. Okay. Okay, guys. Now let's close our eyes to see our other surprise.
Sonic, you have to